Fuck them hoes. Pull up with my minute.
Okay, good morning, y'all. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm home by myself for the weekend. My kids are gone with their grandparents. And y'all, we're about to get ready to work. I got a try-on haul from Rainbow that I need to do. And talk to some emails. See what Fashion Nova is talking about. And that's it. It's at 7:11 a.m. and it's September 15th. So, as y'all can see, my house is quiet. There's nobody here, it's just me. And y'all, we are gonna get started today. But right now I'm gonna check these emails, reply back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. What time is it now? Hold on, let me turn the computer on. Come on. Because I'm finna do that lookbook trial haul like I told you guys. So now I'm just finna go ahead. I am gonna, I don't know, listen to some music or probably watch some people vlogs while I'm doing my makeup. Regular day. I need to go buy a black head tie like this because this is how I'm gonna keep my crochets up like this because I don't like the way they look when they down. I did the look for this. I did the crochets just so I can put them in the ponytail like this anyway. But we're planning our face and I just was touching a whole bunch of stuff and yeah. I didn't. This right here. Y'all got this shit from HEB. Yeah. Shout out to HEB. Cause I just washed I just cleaned my face. And y'all, today I'm not gonna put on no primer. Okay, y'all, so this is my look. I'm done. Like, this is a cute, simple look for try-on haul. So as y'all can see, I'm setting up and I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. And I still haven't eaten, and it's only, like, it's only 8:50. So, and I took my time doing my makeup because I wanted to wake up, watch some vlogs, and listen to some music. So, y'all, I'm getting to this look, and I'm gonna, okay, y'all, so I'm done with the lookbook, and I'm gonna go make some coffee. Let's see what time it is. Y'all, I look like a doll. Like, who is that? Make some coffee. It's 9:45. I vlogged a little bit. I did a content video that I have not been doing in a while on my channel. I don't know if I should give y'all a little house tour. Y'all done seen my little house without me even doing a little house tour. Okay, so I'm gonna make my coffee. Let me show y'all I'm gonna decorate my house for fall. Cause my kids like when I decorate. Like, they're so, even though my kids are young, but they're very, very, very much appreciative of every little thing. Like, I can go buy them a candy bar. My son be like, oh wow, thank you, mommy, for me. And I'd be like, yes, baby, please. Everything I do is for y'all. Like, coffee from the keto coffee. It's really good. So I'm gonna go on something, get ready to run to Walmart. I hope the eye department is open, and I just want to go get my contacts, come back home, and finish working. Like, and this is the problem. When I get to Walmart, I get distracted. I start doing and getting stuff that I don't need. Okay, y'all, so coffee is almost ready. I'll show y'all what I got. grab these keys. Damn. So this is what I'm wearing. My thing is, I don't want nobody to just be staring at me, looking at me crazy. Y'all mail came to my house. I'm gonna go give it to them. So, alright, y'all, I'm gonna run to Walmart and I need to get gas. Gosh.
Hey, little baby and Drake right there.
I've been eating or drinking my coffee. Y'all know we just made that coffee. I left it because it was like piping, steaming hot, so I left it to cool down. But when I get home, it should still be warm. Y'all, I'm like literally trying not to just walk around Walmart and look for stuff to buy. I'm just literally trying to just run in and pick up my contacts and come back. Cross our fingers and hope that that's what we can do. Like, Walmart, it just sucks you in. Like as soon as you get here, you just want to go see, oh, let me see, I just need this and this and that, and then you get more than what the fuck you bargained to spend. So, oh, no, that's not what I'm finna do today. Girl, you look like you just hurting up in there. Like, are always doing some F shit. Like, they done blocked off the way to go park and all this other stuff. Like, if you going out, go. Why do you keep stopping and slow poking around? Like, Walmart done effed up with this parking and stuff. Like, it's really tripping me out. Something negative to say? I don't care. I really don't. See, I have these contacts already. Hello. You're fine. I think I look good today. Let's go see. Hey. I'll do this shit done. So y'all, I just... Why she tell me I need to hold on? Okay. I want to see how long I'm going to be waiting. And this is what makes people want to walk around and shop and buy shit that they don't got money to buy. She literally don't have no time ever there. You don't like my makeup or no? Right. I like it. And this is how they give them to me. Like, they so freaking unprofessional. It's so rude. You know, I'm not stopping because I'm pissed off and you bitches is just gonna have to wait. Who was next? I said, girl, you see me standing here, like, really? I said, you want to help this white lady so bad? Go ahead and help her. Go. And then her manager was like, you knew that she was here because we both seen her. And come on, sir. Go ahead. Like, I can't wait to get home. Put on my pajamas. Yes, I'm going to change out of these clothes. Go clean my face. No, I may not clean my face. I may leave this little beat on. Listen, he talked to the lady or whatever. She's like, oh, I didn't see it. Bitch, you seen my food. I don't know. Like, you got a vendetta against me. I'm just playing. I don't want people to think I'm crazy. Oh, I need gas. So, I'm right here at this little Sefco. again. Give you a taste of your own medicine. Yeah. I'm telling y'all, like, these whack ass dudes be thinking it's okay for them to play with a bitch, and then when you do the same thing that they do, these fuck niggas be mad and they feeling, oh, she betrayed me, she a hoe. Nah, nigga, I just did what you did to me. Now you see how it feels. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so it's 10:15. My coffee is not hot, it's not cold, it's just right for me. Keto coffee. So I just changed my shirt. I don't have on no bottoms right now because I couldn't find none, especially my little shorts that I normally wear around the house. But it's just me home this weekend, and y'all, I'm getting good feedback on my full body. I'm gonna post my full body picture in some lingerie. Well, it's just like my bra and panties. Okay, y'all, so I just got done editing my little video, but I'm sure you like that thing, share it, comment, and if you're not subscribed now, hit that notification bell, and we family now. Like, hey sis, hey bro. I just exported the file to my external hard drive. So before I do that, y'all, I gotta create me a thumbnail. Hey! Create you a thumbnail. Well, I'm on my phone. And you know what be pissing me off with some of these brands? I don't know if I should say they pick the same fucking influencers all the time. And then when they finally pick you, they want you to do shit for little or nothing. You know, I don't feel like that's right. I can't wait to do that all the time. Shit is so freaking hard. Oh shit, I forgot y'all was recording. Oh! Y'all caught me, I forgot. Shit. Y'all. Hey, y'all, so I'm done editing. I uploaded the video. Shit. I'm gonna have this thing.
Niggas don't like me.
I've got to do it.
Yeah.
Chicken little. Chicken nugget. Every time I see that, I think about guys. Chicken nugget. I know they still make episodes for cheaters. When it's like, what?
Gotta keep the 40 on me. Don't care what you say about me. No lie, no lie, no lie. Pull up on a nigga like skirt. Where you at, I'm there. Got a 40 on me, nigga. I ain't ever scared. Niggas got me fucked up, I'ma pop up like a bird. I'm so fly, I'm with the shits. I could be a jerk. Got a couple niggas with me, we can head out.
I don't even know how to reply.
A couple times, I bet we head out. We ain't gotta know what's your
Yeah,
word
it's
about.
like this local rapper.
That's what I'm about, yeah. Niggas acting funny, this shit new to me. You ain't gotta hate me, I'm just doing me. Getting to the bag is not new to me. You gotta get the check, I don't work for free.
I won't tell you who it is, but yeah.
Snitching niggas ain't no coming back. From that. Gotta get this paper, that's a
Girl, your baby daddy if I see it. Alright, let me stop.
This PATZ motherfucker.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
Heard the niggas don't like me. Niggas don't like me. Y'all don't really want no beef. You don't really want it with me. No lie, no lie, no lie. I only keep my girl around me. Gotta keep the 40 on me.
Like when I don't know what to say, I use emojis. Like, I don't know what the fuck to say because what's in my head sometimes don't come out my mouth correctly.
Let them hate, let them hate. Let them talk every day. The boy riding with the K. Make a nigga levitate. Lord, I send him to your way.
I swear to God, them niggas don't want be. Got 100 round drums on me. With the homicide in these streets. So you don't wanna mess with me. It's the Corleone brand. Your bitch my #1 fan. Haters know I'm a man. Haters know I'm a man. Don't give a fuck who don't like me. Niggas that won't fight me. Chuck Corleone gon' cook beef. Lay fat like
After you send them emojis when you don't know what you want to say, they hit you with that. What that means?
Don't wanna fuck with me.
I don't know.
FTE.